Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox my new DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. This DJI Pocket 2 is a tiny camera that you can single-handedly record videos. I wanted to try this small camera with stabilizer for my vlog and some other lifestyle videos. I'm gonna unbox and show you what's inside of this Creator Combo and do a quick test recording outdoors in comparison with my phone, iPhone 12 Pro. First of all, I think this package itself is very compact, very small, and here is the camera. Okay, let's open this. Okay, I have this Pocket 2 camera in my hand. It's like a regular gimbal but much smaller. It comes with a cover, which is very nice. Thank you SkillShare for sponsoring this video. SkillShare is an online learning community with thousands of online classes and members across 150 countries. I found creative inspiration for my social media through these amazing classes, including photography, videography, graphic design, marketing, and more. It's my go-to place to learn new skills for self-discovery too. I'm starting the new year with the Ultimate Self-Care Playbook by Jonathan Venice. I've tried creative ways to relax and care for myself through his class. Are you interested? The first 1,000 of you to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of SkillShare, so you can start exploring these classes today. Okay, up next. These are the accessories. It's all in one box, and let's see what's inside. Each piece looks just very small, very tiny and lightweight, and each of them has individual plastic wrap. So these are everything from this little white box. And the next layer, it looks like a white envelope. I think these are the paperwork and user manual, things like that. Okay, let's check the accessories first. I have this wrist wrap, it's adjustable. And then here is the USB splitter charging cable, Type A to Type C. And this is the wireless microphone windscreen. It's a very small one. And this small little piece, this one is the mini control stick for Pocket 2. I think I'll use this one like a lot. And the next one, it's an even smaller piece. I think this is the wide angle lens. The built-in lens is 20mm, and with this lens, you can expand to 15mm. And then we have two smartphone adapters, Lightning and USB-C. Okay, in the box, we have this wireless microphone transmitter. And next, we have this small tripod mount. And then the next piece is this do-it-all handle. It's also a tripod mount. This one connects the wireless microphone. And the last piece is the micro tripod. Okay, it's very compact, and the build quality, everything looks very good. This connection works with the tripod mount and also the do-it-all handle. And then I'm going to remove the stickers on the camera and see how it works. So I've been using DSLR and mirrorless for my YouTube videos and my other content. Compared with my other cameras, this DJI Pocket 2 is just so lightweight. I feel like I can film with this camera for all day long. But I'm still like a little skeptical. Can I get quality footage with this small camera? And how smooth the videos will be with this gimbal stabilizer. Okay, so here's the camera. And then I'm gonna insert micro SD card into this camera. Micro SD card is not included in the Creator Combo. You have to order it separately. Okay, so the card slot is on the left side. Just press in. There is no cover. It's very minimal, I would say. And the DJI Pocket 2, the camera itself is $349.99, and the Creator Combo is $499.99, which is $500. I think I will definitely use these accessories from Creator Combo. Okay, let's do a quick test shoot outside. So here is a video clip from my phone, iPhone 12 Pro. The lighting is not the best. Some part of the video is overexposed and I think the color is not so accurate. And also the motion is not very stabilized. But I'm not expecting more than this from my iPhone. It's still very convenient. And then I record the same video using DJI Pocket 2, and it's very stable, very smooth. The quality of the footage looks a lot more professional than iPhone footage. I think it's a great camera for vlog. And I have the DJI Pocket 2 links in the description. You can check it out from there. That's it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!